Hello people, how are you doing? This video is a list of some of the DIY builds or inventions I made back in 2017 and 2018. Just a warning, the quality of the video is not the best because the only phone I had was an Itel A16. It was literally the cheapest smartphone in the market. So these are some of the builds. Stick around to see my favorite one. Alright, let's get into the video. The first one is a foldable lamp. I made this lamp for reading. I was in secondary school preparing for my WAEC. The lamp was made with wood. It used a 9-volt battery or microphone battery as we call it. The battery pack was made with a malt can and the LED was salvaged from a dump, like kids do. It could fold back and forth, to focus on the book. Now to the second one. The second one is a vacuum cleaner, a DIY vacuum cleaner. It was made with a Coca-Cola bottle and wood, of course. It could suck up pieces of paper as you see, using a motor I found in a DVD player. I made the fan blades with a tomato can, that's tin tomato can. Now the next one was actually my favorite because it solved a crucial problem. It's called a magnetic torch. So you know how you struggle to find a place to keep the torch when there is no power? I decided to make a torch and stick a magnet at the back. I got the magnet from a whiteboard eraser. It turned out to be very compact and simple. It used a microphone battery, that is the 9-volt battery. I made the body with plastic plate cover and malt can, that's these strips that you see around it, to hold the plates together. And of course there is a switch. You could stick this torch to any surface provided it's metal. I remember it was so useful in the house. It was so bright and very portable, but it got hot very fast because the power was too much for the LED, but it never got burnt actually. Fun fact, I saw this type of torch on Jumia. I was so surprised when I saw it. I was like,
お電話ありがとうございます。本日の営業時間は終了いたしました。
If you made it to this point in the video, please consider subscribing.
Subscribe.
The next DIY item is a hand fan, electric hand fan of course. As at that time, I was beginning to see a lot of hand fans around and I thought, hey, I can make my own. This was made, as you can already tell, with malt cans for the protector, 1-inch PVC pipe for the handle, tomato can, that's tin tomato can, for the blade, a switch, and of course the almighty 9-volt battery. I wanted to give this fan to my mother, but I thought nah, it was not beautiful for a lady, so I bought her those fancy ones from
China.
So for the next one, I wanted to combine the fan and the magnetic torch, so I built a stand out of wood, a fancy wood. The fan slots in and the torch just magnetizes to give light. This way I could read with the light while partially staying cool, at least until the battery of the fan died off. The last DIY item in this video is a solar panel I made to charge my cheap phone. I just used the button phone to illustrate because I was using my cheap Itel A14 to film, of course. So the solar panel was made of 10 tiny panels which I got from MTN lanterns that my auntie used to bring home from work. My phone battery used to die very fast and there is a lot of sunshine in Nigeria. So I joined all the panels together, which managed to produce about 7 volts to charge my phone, which needed only 5 volts. The frame was made of wood and it had a compartment beneath where I could put my phone so that sun no go finish my phone while charging it. I also made other things which I didn't make videos of. Other things like a wired remote pickup truck, headlamp. I actually made this headlamp in 2020. When I bought a drill, I made an adapter to make the battery charge my phone, and lots of other things I made or tried to make. Alright, that's it people. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe. God bless you and have a great day.
He did it in a cave with a box of scraps.